the nation, 92.3 Nigeria, info 28th in the month of July 2025. Happy New Week. It's a beautiful Monday morning, and as usual, every Monday at this time, I have with me in the studio engineer Reza Temple from Nec-computers, and we get to talk about the structure of their training and basically what they do at Nec-computers. Last week we had a graduate from Nec-computers here to share with us his experience. But today is just engineer Reza that's in the studio. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Precious. Good morning, Nigerians. Good morning, Port Harcourt people.
Good morning. How was your weekend?
Yeah, very good.
Good to know. All right, so tell us what you have for us today.
Okay, so Nec-computers is a computer training center. We train people from different aspects of computers, ranging from the intermediate level, beginners level to advanced level. Nec-computers training touch all ramifications of life. Our training cut across industries and education curriculum. So that is what we do in Nec-computers. And our training structure in Nec-computers is divided into 7 different departments. The first department in Nec-computers is the computer-aided design department. Here we train people on AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, Revit architecture, Inventor, SolidWorks, structural analysis and design using Star Pro, Orion, and Civil 3D. The second department we have in Nec-computers is the desktop publishing and graphic design department. We train people here on basic computers, Microsoft Office, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Secretarial Studies, Photoshop, Internet, and other ones. Then the third department we have in Nec-computers is the networking department. Here we train people on Network M+, CCNA, CCNP, CCTV installation, computer hardware and software repair, maintenance, and cyber security. The fourth department we have in Nec-computers is the project management department. Here we train people on Microsoft project, Primavera, P6, SAP, Prince 2, electrical design and installation, building design training, quantification and estimations. Then the fifth department we have in Nec-computers is data analysis and coding and accounting. Here we train people on data analytics and science, data science, advanced Excel and Access, SPSS and eView, QuickBooks, Sage, P3, Oracle, and digital marketing. The sixth department we have in Nec-computers is the oil and gas department, where we train people on PDMS, Aspen analysis, process piping, P&ID, and pipe flow diagram. The seventh department we have in Nec-computers is the programming software department. This programming software department is also known as the coding department. This is where you can use your computer to do word problems leading to linear equations, simultaneous equations, quadratic equations, variations, ordinary differential equations, first, second, and third order differential equations, Laplace transformation, Fourier series, Maclaurin series, and other one, differential integral calculus. You can do this with Microsoft Visual Basic, C#, C++, Visual Basic, Python, Java, MATLAB, Simulink, and Simscape. Under development, we have the website design and development, Android application development, software development, that is Windows applications, cloud computing, UI, UX, machine learning, and data structure. These are the structure of our training in Nec-computers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've had a special promo running for some time now at Nec-computers. Tell us about it.
Yes. From the 1st of July to this 31st of July, we are paying just 50%. We are doing this so that we can carry everybody along. I think that Nec-computers are people-oriented office organizations. So we make sure that everybody is part of what is happening. So 50% is what we are paying. From now till the end of July, 31st of July being this Thursday, you are paying just 50% of the cost. So the cost I was supposed to go for 100,000, we now go for 50,000. I will give 100% training, 100% durations, and every percent Nec-computers you use it 100% as other people are doing. But you pay just 50%. That's what we are doing, and you end in 31st of July. And people have been calling me that they want to be part of the program but they don't have time. No problem, you can make your registration, secure your receipts, and secure the spot. Anytime you are coming between now and December this year, you can be part of the program. That is what's happening. 50% is what they are paying.
Okay, so they have from now to the end of July to lock in.
To lock in for the 50%, yes. Yeah.
Okay, so let's now talk about one of your courses at Nec-computers, coding.
Okay.
Tell us about that.
Okay, so computer programming, often referred to as coding, is the process of creating a set of instructions that a computer can follow to perform a specific task. It's more like man-machine interface, where the man gives instructions and the computer responds with the answer to his instruction given by the man. So that is what we are doing. Computer programming is also known as coding. We are doing the coding in Nec-computers, especially this holiday. And what are the benefits of doing coding? One, the benefit of doing coding is that it improves problem-solving skills. It enhances our ability to think logically and solve computer problems. Computer is a logical machine, so you have to think logically and creatively to be able to write a program that the computer can be able to solve. And it's a language that everybody needs to learn, because this is a computer age. So we do it in Nec-computers effectively. Another advantage is that it creates innovations. It's creativity and innovations. It allows you to create apps, website, and automated tasks. So if you're able to do it, you can be able to create website, you're able to create apps, you're able to create window apps, software development, everything that has to do with computer programming. This is the foundation of it, the coding aspect. Then it's for personal growth. It builds confidence, resilience, and perseverance, contributing to personal development. So when you know how to do coding, your confidence is increased, because by your thinking level, you have upgraded yourself and your mind to that level where you can speak to the computer will hear you. Because computer is not like a human being if you know how to program them. But many people don't know how to program. That's why they now use computers as tools. It's a human being that you can program, and it does exactly what you want to do. And who are we targeting this holiday? We are targeting everybody. Everybody can be part of this training. If you just finish your secondary school, just finish WAEC, just finish JAM, or you just finish junior WAEC, or you are an engineering student, computer science student, environmental science student, management science student, or you want to do IT, you can come to Nec-computers. Or you want to empower somebody, or you have a work and you want to do, and you have people that are working with you, bring them come and learn coding this holiday. It's just 50% they are paying. So everybody, especially people who are from SS1 to year 2, you are finishing junior WAEC, you are entering SS1, SS2, SS3, or you want year 2, come to Nec-computers and learn coding. Why? Because our coding this time is focused on mathematics. We want to make mathematics be easy for people. You know, people dread mathematics in school because they think mathematics is abstract. When people know about mathematics, they dread it. If you bring 10 students here and ask them because they like, no, they will say they like mathematics because mathematics is too critical. Now it's abstract, but we are making it to be practical in Nec-computers. If you go to school, we have practical physics, we have practical chemistry, we have practical biology, but we don't have practical mathematics. That is why people think that mathematics is very abstract. If you ask a person, you ask a boy, why is it that when the price of bread increase, people are not eating bread? They know that price is inversely proportional to demand. So when price increase, demand will reduce. So it's very common to be able to know. But if you tell them cos 30, sin 30, tan 30, they don't know what you're actually talking about. In Nec-computers, we are making it practical so that they can associate with this symbol that is too abstract to something. They know how to create 4-figure table by themselves. They know that sin 30 degree is a particular figure. So they can create it by themselves. And if you're able to know how to use 4-figure table, you can do plus, addition, multiplication, and division. So all the algebraic operations are done with the figures in 4-figure table. So imagine a child know how to create these angles by themselves. Imagine a child know how to create this value by themselves. They can do everything. If you are able to do 50 degree, 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degrees, this can make it very simple for you to solve any type of problem in mathematics. That is why people who we have trained last time, they have the Z for mathematics down, unlike before. So if you have any child struggling in mathematics, bring them to Nec-computers today. We make it very simple for them. And not only that, we focus on apps development, web development, and other ones. The reason why people are like where we are today is because they are very dull in apps. We make sure you create app. If you look at this time, what to read now, they say Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, has a passion for computers and technology. He began to study computers at an early age. His father Edward Zuckerberg saw that his son was more inclined to computer programming than toys and introduced him to the Atari basic programming language. Now, the father was one that introduced him. So because of that, Facebook world is today. They say young Zuckerberg quickly learned all Atari basics and began creating his own program. Soon after, at the age of 12, he come out with a program called ZookNet. ZookNet was the first thing that Mark Zuckerberg produced. After ZookNet, he developed to FaceNet. After FaceNet, developed to what we are seeing today as Facebook. So we have children like that in our house. What are we doing as a parent? Come to Nec-computers, you can see the contribution of his father. Then, what is the responsibility of the parent? If you are a parent, bring your child to Nec-computers, we will train them. Our own responsibility to make sure that we walk them through all the program we have set for this holiday. They can do it. So when you bring them to Nec-computers, we will do what we are supposed to do. So we are doing that in Nec-computers. This time is just 50%. But parents make one mistake. One of the mistakes that parents do is that they bring their children to different courses. A child is in Nec-computers now. 3 years ago, he was doing coding. Last year, he went for tailoring. He went for tiling. Now he's coming to do computer programming. At the end of the day, there's nowhere he can fit in. You cannot make him a tiler or a computer programmer because he has not been there. Bring your children so we can constantly train him on all these processes. I'm not telling you that people bring their children to go and do holiday. This summer season is not the time to go and do computer holiday classes because they have been doing chemistry, physics, and mathematics in school. Bring them to, let's teach another pattern of training. Coding is another form of learning. Another pattern of learning that can make them to become something. Bring them to Nec-computers. If you bring your child, we do what we are supposed to do. We have a responsible child. We are located at number 14 Lumona Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Number 14 Lumona Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Our telephone number is 080 325 77932. WhatsApp number 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. The same message, the number on WhatsApp 080 325 77932. We are located at number 14 Rumona Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Call our number 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. For the last time, 080 325 77932. Until I come your way next week, stay curious, keep learning, and be inspired. This is Nec-computers signing off. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much, Engineer Temple.
You're welcome.